Welcome to all students. Today we are going to discuss about modern algebra for 3rd BSc Mathematics 5th semester. Myself and Meena. The outline of this session are permutation, computation in S3. Is you have to take a set and you have to map that set to the same set itself. For example, if I take two elements in a set 1 and 2, it should be mapped to itself 1 and 2 again. Such a mapping is called a permutation. If it is 1 to 1, 1 to 1 is every element in the domain should have distinct images, and it should also be onto. Onto is nothing but in the codomain there should not be any element without any pre-images. Since we are mapping from the set to itself, it is always onto. Therefore, permutation is a function. We are notating in an array the permutation. Here I have given two notations. One is alpha permutation and the another one is beta permutation. So alpha of 2, we have to see where 2 is mapped to. 2 is mapped to 3. Therefore, alpha of 2 is 3. For the next one, alpha of 4 is 4. Similarly, in the beta transformation permutation, 4 is mapped to 3. Therefore, beta of 4 is equal to 3 and beta of 1 is equal to 2. Then finding beta alpha of 2. From we have to move from the right to the left. So we have to compute what is alpha of 2. Alpha of 2 is 3. Then beta of 3. In beta permutation, 3 is mapped to 4. Therefore, beta of 3 is 4. Find D4, the dihedral group D4. So D4 means there are totally 4 elements. First one is the identity element. So we are rotating 0 degree. 0 degree is it is as it is. When you rotate 90 degree, 1 goes to 2. When you rotate 90 degree, so this is a rotation. 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3 and 3 goes to 4 and 4 goes to 1. So this is the 90 degree rotation. And if you rotate 120 degree means a number is skipped. That is 1 goes to 3 and 2 goes to the next number 4 and 3 goes to 1, 1 goes to 2. 4 goes to 2. This is the rotation for 180 degree. If you rotate 270 degree, 2 elements are skipped. That is 2 and 3 are skipped. 1 is mapped to 4 and 2 is mapped to 1. 3 is 2 elements are left. That is 4 and 1 are left, and 3 is mapped to 2 and 4. 1 and 2 are left. 4 is mapped to 3. This is the rotation for 270 degree. Then we are now dividing into horizontally. Dividing horizontally. So if you divide horizontally, here 1 is mapped to 2. 4 is mapped to 3. 3 is mapped to 4 and 2 is mapped to 1. This is one section. And if you divide the square vertically, you will be getting 1 is mapped to 4 and 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 2, 4 goes to 1. So this is the vertical representation. And if you divide it diagonally, if you keep 1 and 3 as it is, 2 goes to 4 and 4 goes to 2. This is the diagonal transformation. And D dash, this is the leading diagonal. If you take the other diagonal, 2 and 4 as it is, 1 goes to 3 and 3 goes to 1. These are the only possibilities in the dihedral group D4.